Good morning. I am Jessie Pius from Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to take the topic thermal insulation in the subject code PH 8201, that is Physics for Civil Engineering. After successful completion of the course, the student will be able to recall the thermal performance of buildings. So here, what is thermal insulation? So it is nothing but it's an insulation that's used to reduce the flow of heat to and from a body. It is a material that reduces the rate of heat flow. So here, thermal insulation, the material that which are used to insulate the building thermally are known as thermal insulating materials. So what is the aim of the thermal insulation? So the aim of thermal insulation is to minimize the transfer of heat between inside and outside of a building. Okay? It is used to minimize the transfer of heat inside and outside the building. So you can see here the thermal insulating materials can be used in floors, walls and roof and in the base of a building. So by using this thermal insulating material, we can get a cooler summer and a hotter climate in winter season. By using the thermal insulating material, we can comfort ourselves from the external climate. So here in some areas, that is in some cooler part of the universe, what they will do is they will use the fur of the material to keep the body warm. That is, the polar bear has a thick body fur to insulate himself from the chilly environment. So here the Eskimos, the peoples living in a particular area, leads this fur to keep the body warm, which will be stark contrast with the surrounding. So the thermal insulating material can be classified into organic materials and inorganic materials. So inorganic materials include silk, wool, cardboard, paper and leather. And in inorganic material, it includes the air, mineral wool, glass wool and charcoal. So you can see the pictures of the organic material, cardboard and the natural wool. It can be kept in this way. And inorganic materials, you can see glass wool and mineral wool. So the method of achieving the thermal insulation, it can be achieved by the use of materials with low conductivity, thickness of roofs and walls, then a provision of air space, then a heat insulation by orienting the thermal insulating material in different angles, and the thermal insulation can be done the form of shading and providing sufficient height of the ceiling at the roof. Then what are the benefits of thermal insulation? Due to thermal insulation, the rooms remains cooler in summer and warmer in winter than outside. So this gives a thermal comfort to the person who is living inside the room. So due to thermal insulation, the transfer of heat between inside and outside of the room is restricted. It is acting like an insulating media. This results in less quantity of energy required for maintaining the desired temperature in the room. So due to thermal stress, the roof decks tend to crack. This would be reduced to great extent. Then there is no heat absorption and subsequent dissipation. Then expansion joints can be avoided. Then the temperature drop of 5 to 10 degrees depending on the outside temperature can be done. Thank you.